Tajmotormedics. I've got a Peugeot 308 here on a 2009 plate, just doing a daytime running lamp on this. Now this is what I'm replacing, that's the bulb right there, that's I'm doing, but on this side it's not working, so I'm going to show you how it's done. Can you turn the car off please? It is quite a simple procedure. All you need is a 380 bulb, which you can find in the description, and to do it all you do is push this back and lift the whole thing out. Once you've done that, on the back here you've got a cover, so you take the cover off, and then on the inside, that plug right there, let me just get the light and camera angle right, so is that plug right there which we need to take out. So all you do is twist that to your left and then pull the whole thing out. Once you take it out, just watch out for the wires. So this is it. That's a double filament bulb. Like I said to you, it's a 380 bulb. I've got the bulb already here. I'm just going to take the bulb out, slot the bulb in, and there's only one way the bulb would go as well. So if I wanted to put it in like this, it won't go. So that's it, that's all in. I then try to sort of locate the hole right there inside, make sure the wires are not trapped or anything. And then once it's located, all I then do is twist it to my right. That's it, job done. Now we're just going to check, make sure it's working. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cover back on anyway, because I know it will be working. And then this one here goes only one way as well, so there's sort of kind of slot in there. So that goes, one goes in there, and then the other one goes on the inside here, and then you slot it in. So what we're going to do, we're going to check. Can you start the car up for me please? There we go. As you can see now, that one there is working, and this one here is working as well. So that's all you had to do. Let the car up please. That's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, there is a playlist for Peugeot. Do check it out. There's a playlist for bulbs as well. Do check that out as well. And we will have the bulb in the description. So if you did want to buy one, you can go onto the link and then get one for yourself. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.